Hey. 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 Where you at, Justin? Get it.
Get it, Bree.
He's sitting down here with the pen and the pad, thinking about the girl that he wish he had, writing all his feelings down on paper. He got shouts out to all the haters. Just spit a hot 8 for y'all, a hot 8 bars. Get it.
Yeah, Bree, you killing that beat. All right, I got one. Here we go.
Okay, we're gonna come back to Justin. Don't go Trent, get it.
Sitting upstairs, watching this video.
What?
And you know how we like to get it.
Whoa.
Sitting here looking at y'all on Facebook.
What?
Shout out to my haters, hard, got something Spanish, but I take Spanish one, and I don't give a damn. Something.
Okay. Hey, yo, Bree, get it. It's Bree's turn. It's the Bree turn. Hey.
Check it. Oh man, I'm back.
Bring the beat back. Bring the beat back.
Wait, I think it's on the same. Yo, my name is Bree.
What?
I'm 16.
What?
Know what I do? I don't know how to rap. I'm killing this beat. Yeah. I got a P. Yeah. I ate Zaxby's. Yeah. All right.
Okay. All right. And she blew it on the hot 16. And we're back. Is he gonna give us a hot 16?
I cranked that thing up again.
All right. And he said no. That is the end of that.